Okay, so, all right, segments in a circle. Okay, if they intersect on the inside. Okay, to figure them out, we are going maybe. We are going A times B. So the two parts of one segment equals C times D. Okay, if they intersect inside, no problem. Okay, when they start intersecting outside, that's when things get a little bit more complicated. Okay, this guy right here, we have the outside times the outside plus the inside. So A times A plus B equals the outside, C, times the inside plus the outside, C plus D. Okay, and then another one on the outside, if it doesn't go two parts on the inside, little part, A squared equals outside times outside plus inside. I know, more formulas, right? Okay, like I said, I would keep page 23 and 24 if you know what's good for you. All right, so if you don't have your calculator, I'm not sure why, first of all, but I would grab it. Does it feel weird? Yeah. All right, so the two insides, these multiplies on the inside. So which one? First, second, or third formula? First formula. So 14 times 15, right, equals 10 times x. So 14 times 15? 210 equals 10x. X equals 21. Okay, the two insides, so 6 times 6, because that's one line, equals 4 times the whole thing, 5x minus 1. So you have to distribute that 4 through to everything. That's going to be really important. So 36 equals 20x minus 4, yep. Okay, then you can add your 4 over here. So 40 equals 20x, x equals 2. Boom. Okay, make sure when you've got that guy, you have to distribute that whole thing through. Okay, very important. Same thing that we just did. Which one do you want to do? 3 or 4? 3? All right. So give me my first equation. 27 times x plus 5 equals 24 times x plus 7. Okay, so multiply that out. 27x plus what? 135 equals 24x plus 168. Move my 24x, 3x equals, help me out, 33. X equals 11. Okay, I think segments are easier than arches and angles. I think it's a little bit more straightforward, but some people might not think so. All right, so now we have some on the inside, some on the outside, right? Okay, so outside, which is 9 times outside plus inside. So that's going to be 9 plus x. Okay, equals, outside is 8 times outside plus inside. So 8 plus 19. So over here we have 81 plus 9x equals, careful there, take 8 plus 19. Well, because parentheses is first, right? Order of operations. So you got to do 8 plus 19 and get 27. Add it or multiply it by 8. 216. Okay, so order of operations, you're taking 8 times 27. So then subtract your 81, 9x equals 135, x equals 15. Questions on where we got those numbers from? Okay, be careful. Because because that's the inside is x. So it's the outside is 9. The outside is 9, and then parentheses. Okay, look up here. I'm trying to show you this. So cashmere is not your best option right now. Okay, so 9 is the outside times outside plus inside. So 9 plus x. So that's where we got our x from. And then we had to distribute, right? Okay. All right, so over here, top line, outside is 10 times 10 plus 42 equals 13 times 13 plus x. Good. So we've got 100 plus 420. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. 10 times 52 should still get the same answer. 520 equals, what is that, 169 plus 13x? Right? Did I do that right? So 13x equals 351. X equals 37? 27. Thank you. Okay. Not so bad, right? Not horrible? No, what's up? The squared part, when we do that? Okay, yep. Let's do one more like this, and then we'll get to those. Okay, so this one, let's set it up. What do I get? Plus, oh, no, just kidding. 8 times plus 3x plus 4 equals 7 times plus 5x plus 2. So inside there you got to combine your like terms. So 8 plus, or 8 times 3x plus 12 equals 7 times 5x plus 9. I just combined my constants inside my parentheses. You see where I got that? Okay, so now we can distribute 24x plus 96 equals 35x plus 63. Okay, subtract my 24x. 96 equals 11x plus 63. Move my 63 over. 11x equals 33. So x equals 3. Questions on the whole algebra part of this? No? A lot of solving equations in this stuff. All right, so now we've got just the one outside, right, and the 2 inside. So outside, so 24 squared equals, outside is, what do you mean which one? This one doesn't have anything on the inside. So if you go back to your formulas from that first page, it's what it does it look like. Okay? So if this one is a tangent, not a secant. Okay? So tangent and secant. So 24 squared equals outside 18 times 18 plus x. So 24 squared, 576 equals 324 plus 18x. 18x equals 252. X equals 14. 14? Is that right? Yeah. All right. Okay, horrible? No, not too bad. One more? Let's do one where x is on the outside. Okay, so my tangent line is x. So I've got x squared equals 27 times 27 plus 21. So x squared equals 27 times 48. X squared equals 1,296. All right, so I have x squared. How do I get x by itself? Square root it. Okay, so square root of both sides. X equals 36. Okay, on this one, if I were to square 3x, 3x squared gives me 9x squared. Okay, right? 3x times 3x. All right.